Hello everyone, sa kanto ko ng chakso video na. Ya video de objective arithmetic numbers ni gimana? Yan sekarang part nya. Jadi ya numbers chapter ni problem orang solve again. Sekarang question number 1. 80 by question mark is equal to question mark by 20. Jadi gimana? Ini answer badi again. You know option ke every konso ha. A 40, B 400, C 800, D 1600. Tadi badi apa ini answer onggen uko machine agde de ya ho solve kachina nangen 80 by dari question mark ni biapa wonga x ko donatken, so x here and this is equal to ini apa question mark ni biapa wonga x ko dongen, so this is divided by 20 and this implies tadi makan cross multiply again tadi x into x kaude cross multiply how de giving what they multiply again x into x de x square ukonga left side to again, so x square here and this is equal to the 20 into 80 de patongjo 1600 ukonga right side to again, so 1600 here tadi merakana left hand side right hand side square root apply again, so this implies root x square is equal to root 1600 and this implies that square and root cancel na gumagano x gumagano, so this is equal to that 1600 ni square root beta ukura make machine and side or rough calculation karna, so root 1600 this is equal to that 1600 ko na 16 into 100 again and this is equal to root अच्छा इक्वेशन नंग जवा तो 16 स्क्वायर रूट को निबो 16 स्क्वायर रूट बेटा ना 4 into तो 100 नि स्क्वायर रूट बेटा 10, so this is equal to 4 into 10 de 40 in even root 1600 de 40 होंगे, so I write here 40 तो ये हम अंजो x equal to 40 in even ये नि correct answer de होंगे ये 40 ये answer. Number 2, 42,060 divided by 15 plus 5 is equal to question mark. So ini answer ra. Pada ke bonggen, kita masih ini menjadi solve again. So 42060 divided by 15 plus 5. So this is equal to tadi apa fraction ni form again, so 42060 by 15 plus 5 tadi merakana yako 5 chi cancel again, so 5 ara 15 udah betul napinga 3 napinga jadi emang 5 chi 42 ku divide kau udah betulnya 5 8 40 jadi emang 42 minus 40 de 2 0 kurang de 20 5 4 is 20 then 60 ode 5 ara betan apnya 12 times so dia 3 ara 8412 de betan apnya na ya 3 chi 8412 divide ka ode 3 2s are 6 then tangya 8 minus 6 de 2 4 ko na ode 24 3 is 24 then 1 ode 1 ko divide ka man join 3 de 1 ode 0 times, so 3 0 says 0 that 1 minus 0 to 1 2 can only 12 3 4 so 12, so 2804 plus 5 होंगे 2804 plus 5 betong jo 2809 in answer है 2809 in human answer है number B 2809. Number 3, 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 5 it goes on up to 1 minus 1 by n is equal to question mark. So there equals solve again 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 5 it goes on up to 1 minus 1 by n and this is equal to so there yako gisa ke solve kachina again bracket nang odong barang ko. So 3 chi 1 ko multiply again 3 into 1 de 3 Digimna 3 minus 1 kabo inore betang jok 2 divided by 3 kamode 1 3 tore merakana bracket onani giman masibo multiply nimna multiplication sign of multiplication tore ya solve kabo jok 4 into 1 de 4 digimna 4 minus 1 de 3 divided by 4 tore merakana inuba ya bracket onani giman into digimna ya solve kabo 5 into 1 de 5 digimna 5 minus 1 de 4 divided by 5 into digimna it goes on here one digin ria ya boncho tawde inona sokinga ire betong nok n into 1 de n digimna n minus 1 oino n minus 1 divided by n tawde merakana numerator denominator option dakbahode cancel khana gita nangen tawde nibo 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 tawde numerator 3 denominator 3 tawde ya 3 era 3 ode 1 times tawde denominator 4 numerator 4 ya 4 era ya 4 ode 1 times option again ya 5 pan cancel gamagunok maina ya 5 icheba kosako 5 tongangen wonake jk kamo 3 kosako 3 kamo 4 kosako 4 option again kamo 5 kosako 5 dige numerator denominator cancel ngor kangen bonso tawde merakana ya n minus 1 ya n minus 1 ban bonso de cancel ngi gino dige numerator denominator dige cancel ngor kena bonso tawde n minus 1 ban cancel ngino khali denominator ya n dongor ken dige na ya skang bau ya 2 dongor ken 2 numerator de 2 or denominator n yesan dongor gaino pangkhire cancel ngem na maha so this is equal to 2 by n yan answer ini answer de number B 2 by n